everybody is going to chemo today. So we're going today, but everybody can go up there. So yeah. Me ready.
So come on, let's go.
So we're gonna walk around Manhattan and make Auntie P then go and Lisa then go look for sites and then wait for them to do. So that's that for the day. So we're at the World Trade Center and it's all the way up there. We're not going there though. So we're having a look at family day out and sing. Jamari is here. We're outside. So we're at the not the World Trade, the World Trade Center there. This one. But we're at the Twin Tower Memorial. Now may I push Jamari, so it's like I tried it one-handed, but it's all the names of all the people that passed away, and it goes all the way around, all the way around. So there's a little sign here telling us so we can find the South Pole. This is the North Pole, so if we find the South Pole we see it.
Stop by the South Pole to view the memorial in its
Intended form. You guys didn't see me. So I'm outside. I don't know what kind of register she got it. But we're out here. My Auntie B and Lisa. What did you do? Oh, did you know about it? Yeah. National September 11 Museum.
September 11 Museum. So I'm looking for the part where it says
The North Pole, the South Pole. Can I ask you?
Excuse me.
like say it give a better representation of what they want it to be. So the water feel running nice. Remember nothing not running other one then. So this is the South Pool. Boy. Where you're supposed to see exactly what's happening. So this is what it's supposed to look like. One mile.
Voilà, porte d'accord.
You can take this button. Bye guys. Come here, Auntie P.
No more than 2.
A Twitter?
Outside it said 2. Limit 2.
No balance on yourself. Come here, sir. Wait, that's not your sofa. Yes. Sir, wait, that's not your sofa.
Oh, God. It's not joke. Escalator directly in Auntie P.
So, uno go for Auntie Jude.
I'll go for her.
Saturday. flag. Watch me flag. Watch me flag.
Kolkata restaurant.
Something that I tell. So one couple, they are wildlife artists, then come from Zambia. 2, 3, go! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Very good. Set. Go. Ready? Why? Ready? Set. Go. Ya papá piano. Ya papá piano. Auntie Pia crash, man. Auntie Pia crash. Eh? Public parking. Jerome. Lisa said, how would people reach up there? I like, you don't know. I'm parking there. That's crazy.
Maybe it's a crane like one of you, so we lift it and put it in there.
Probably, I don't know. Oh.
Well, you make some jokes as you laugh. You like some of my jokes. You think someone's crying?
But people come out for them. White people.
What is going on? Guys, I'm following this and they might follow me. Like me live here. So what I live here? Well, not New York. So but me I come from where England, right? And I'm eating my fella. They're not easy. But yeah, we doing it. So the walk was not working out. So no. So because I called on Uber and we're gonna break. Too much walking. What would you reach? What is 11? Mm-hmm. And we're got 41. You know work. Our phone, no tell me some we did reach half an hour when we did stop at the little park something.
Oh, okay.
So
Maybe
boom.
about 1 hour because we stopped.
So we're in Hanover now. Going out to business. So we come out of the Uber now. Finally reached. Oh my god. Records are here. Da, 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 da. You just see that? What? This naked girl. And the June Bex. The June say, what you know? You see them a dance or something.
Here we go. Yeah, let's Everyone step up to the orange room, yes. It's time to take your show to a higher level. The next level. Yes, guys in the back, if you're watching, step up, step up. Here we go. Now, New York City, if you guys are ready for this one, say yeah.
Yeah!
Say oh yeah.
Yeah!
Now, fellas, before we do this amazing stunt, let's get our names, safety first.
No, right, we don't know. No.
Oh, it's a birthday. What's your name, sweetie? New York City, on the count of three, we're going to say happy birthday for Lexia. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Lexia! Yeah. How old you turn, sweetie? How old you turn? She turned 8. But guess what? I remember when I was 8. I was the same age as you. What? Now, sweetie, listen up. I'm going to tell you what's about to happen. Now, my brother, he's going to run, jump, and flip over your head. Yes. Are you afraid? She said yes. Let me get it out of the way. Don't be afraid of the dancers. If you're going to be afraid of anything, be afraid of cigarettes, alcohol, drugs. If you guys agree, make some noise. Now, flipping over you is too easy. So we're going to show you how high we can truly flip. Hey, fellas, I got this. You, sir, the ballhead. Step up. We have a volunteer. Yeah! right. We got it. Good job. Alright, stop the music. Now nobody move.
Nobody gets hurt.
Nobody move.
Nobody gets hurt.
Step one.
Step one.
We're flipping over the kid.
Over the kid.
Step two.
Step two.
We're flipping over the guys.
Over the guys.
Yes, guys, good luck, especially you, sir. You tall as hell, man. I was all about you. Yeah. Well, I do one favor. All of you gentlemen, take a knee. If you can't get up, don't get down. Now, Steve, you gonna come over here and follow me. Face me.
Watch out. One shuttle. Don't move. Don't move. Another kick. Make some noise.
I'm ready. Look, man, ready. Here we go. Put your hands up. One more, everybody. Here we go. All right, let's see. Together like a family. We're gonna all clap. Everybody, come over.
Everybody step up to the ball.
So we go. Yeah, we gonna do this one this way. We're gonna do this way. Thank you guys, thank you. We just want to make it look like we're good. Arms to the side.
Arms to the side.
So if you close the legs, it's not that kind of show. Now fellas,
Yeah.
we have the kid.
We have the kid.
We have the guy.
We have the guys.
But something is still missing.
What's that?
Every show.
It's not a show.
Without at least one.
One.
Sexy.
Sexy.
Diva.
A diva.
America's next top model.
Somebody's waiting.
Hey Phil, I need you to play my favorite song.
Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gon' love me like you can.
All right, now listen up, Diva. Are you ready? Are you sure? Now I'm going to tell you what's about to happen. There's going to be a black guy running really fast with no police behind him. Yeah. You guys might want to squeeze together.
Squeeze together.
So it's New York. No one cares. Get it in, man. It's all right. Okay, he's good.
He's good.
He's good.
He's good.
They're good.
They're good.
He's too close. Sir, do you know her?
She don't know you.
Where are you from?
From Germany.
Germany? That's why. You know what? You turn around. Yeah, now we got Germany. Hey, look, this guy had nothing to do with it.
right.
I don't trust him anymore. Put him in the back. You nasty, sir, right here. This is a family show. Now, New York City, you guys must know
What's that?
that me and my brothers have been performing here for over 10 years.
10 years.
Make some noise. And they know just as well as I know. As soon as we run,
Right.
jump,
Jump,
flip,
flip,
land,
perfect.
everyone is going to walk away and leave.
Leave, my leave.
We didn't leave when you guys got here.
No, we did.
Now, New York City, remember, 20 is our lucky number.
Yes.
And if you do not have 20,
Give us 2 tens.
if you don't have 2 10s,
Give us 4 or 5.
if you don't have 4 5s, people, we're hiring today. Applications in the back. Phil got them. Now, New York City, we are going to take your jump, but folks, we're going to come around and collect some donations. Show the love. Here we go. Hold it up, New York City.
Everything up here, FPS, I don't want to.
Anything you do, you have to do.
Yeah, you got it.
Say it out.
ball drop. So guys, we are still walking around out here. We watch one look at dance some other than the people them. They did not want too much, so we left. Everybody literally left. So we're trying to see the sights, and then when we're done, do what we come to do. When we're done, do what we come to do. We'll go come. Yeah, so we're still outside. Still I do what we do. It's so awkward, but you see true nobody now look for nobody else, so like you're literally not seen. You're just a needle in a haystack here. So we can just walk and do whatever. Is it? What do Michael? Michael Jackson. Husband, you're missing in action. We're walking, we're walking, we're walking, 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 we're walking, we're walking, we're walking. Now we stop. All the parents. Miss Rachel up with off. You know, them advertise Rick's Cafe a while ago.
Eh?
When did that advertise Rick's Cafe a while ago?
Rick's Cafe?
Oh, is that good too?
Yes.
Oh, no.
Go to the box office and pick up an audience to see now. It's all the way up.
Okay guys, so it's home time. GPS again. So I'm gonna meet my cousin off to go home, and then, well, that's basically the end of the day. I'm not doing anything else. More than go and go bed and eat and sleep and stuff. So yeah, that's that. Around here some more people watch-ish. I'm still at Times Square, but off one of the road them. So me, I go get rid of the phone because people be looking and I cannot be battered. Cross. Yeah. And then he said, stand up over there.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's the end. We are here. Now the people that come in video and then go quarrel to me record them, you understand? So we're outside. Yeah, so outside. Look at over the people that drinks. There's like a couple of drinks this up. I'm in here look it over. Some are done now. The day done. And I'm closing the video. Come and look. Bye guys. Eh?
You sure this online? We walk. When we touch the beginning of the bridge, one man stop with a driver. Ask me where we going. It's not my independent city. That's how far that is. It's not my say never look far. I carry with them and carry with. So the canister say it reminds me of that canister say. Yeah, walk man.
Just the right of the sun.
She tell me say the road is still longer yet. And it's cold out there.
They're racing the cars. Vroom, vroom. Yes, we're going faster than them. The wheels on the bus go round.
Right.
The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep,
Yeah,
beep.
the stroller.
Show him the wiper, Kevin.
Make sure. Me do the horn and probably go keep blowing.
Look, Louis.
No.
Thank you. Beep, beep.
Push it here.
Beep, beep.
Ooh.
Woo!